winter is tough for a multitude of reasons, but the winter uglies really take the cake. They do. And I've been really feeling it lately. I've been putting on a lot of bronzer, and yeah, I'm just not doing well. I'm starting to consider all these procedures I've never even wanted or have been against because I'm like unhappy with how I look. I just need a little refresh. We're gonna do a little maintenance week. It's much needed. You know, sometimes I push these like little self-care things or little maintenance tasks off just because I'm lazy. But we're gonna do all the things, all the appointments, and it's gonna be amazing, and we're gonna do it together. And maybe it'll inspire you to do some of these things as well. And I'm feeling very responsible this morning because instead of buying a coffee, I made one at home to go. I made the Teddy Graham latte. I have a gift card and we're headed to the nail salon. Let's go. That was so lovely. Every time I get a pedicure, I'm just reminded of how lovely it is and relaxing and truly just worth every penny. And that was one of the best pedicures I've ever gotten. Honestly, they did so much stuff. It was like a full hour. I don't love the color I got, but that's my mistake. I didn't get my nails done because we're on a budget, and that's okay. I bought these press-ons from Amazon. We're gonna put these on in a few days, but I feel like they're so pretty. I'm going on a trip on Wednesday, so I'm gonna put these on either Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning before my flight, but I'm so excited to get out of the cold. I live in New York, and the amount of snow that we've gotten this year is insane. We've had constant snow for the past month and a half, like I'm not even kidding. It reminds me of when I was little and like the mountains of snow. I feel like we just haven't had that in years, like the consistency of it all. In the recent years, like it's just so up and down. Like we'll get snow, but then it all melts, and then we'll get snow again, it all melts. Like I don't even know if the snow has melted at all the past month and a half. It's freezing, so I'm so excited to get out of the cold for a little bit. But we'll pop these bad boys on right before I leave. But we're gonna keep these good vibes going, and we're gonna do some waxing. So I do love these dermaplaning, like facial blades, but today we're gonna do waxing. So I love this brand. It's just these little wax melts, and then the little silicone cup, some popsicle sticks, and I go a little bit crazy. So I'm actually getting my eyebrows done tomorrow, which I'll take you guys along for, but right now I like to do the sides of my face because I don't go like too crazy with like my little sideburn, but I do like get the peach fuzz that's like down here. So I do here, and then I do my upper lip. I just did this. I thought that I was filming. I am like really scared to do this. I actually don't think I've ever waxed over here. I'm fucking scared. This is like really on there. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is terrible. Holy shit. Oh my god. I'm never doing this again. It's still on. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Oh my god. I'm never doing that again. Only dermaplaning that. Holy shit. Is it gross that I'm showing you guys? Fern is very concerned at the sounds I'm making. Also, apologies if you're listening to this out loud, but oh my god, that was necessary. Every sound was necessary. Oh my god, we have the other side. Oh my god, we have the other side. No, all right, fuck it. It gets harder when it's up here, like the hair is longer. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at the line from my makeup. Whew. Holy shit, that was insane. When I was younger, I used to use the like Nair, this one's Veet, but the cream hair removal literally smells like it's just like burning your hair off, but I used to use that on my upper lip when I was younger. And I have been using this gentle finishing cream, like aloe, for years. This is probably so old, and yeah, it expired in 2018. But I'm still using it. I'm gonna take off my makeup and we'll put some of that on. Wow, I'm so happy that's over. I'm really excited to go get my eyebrows done tomorrow. I haven't had them done in a really long time, and I've never gone to this girl before, but she's actually a family friend, and she has like her own, I don't know if you'd call it like a studio or a salon or a spa, but I'm really excited to go. Put the finishing cream on, and then while we're here, I was like, why don't I do a little pore strip? I haven't done a pore strip in a very long time. Let's do it. I wish my boyfriend was home and I could do it on him as well. Much more satisfying doing it on someone else, that's for sure. Same with that waxing. I would have really been enjoying myself if I was doing it on someone else. I'm like one of those people who like pimple popping videos. Not like the really gross ones, if that makes sense, but I like the like blackhead. I don't want to watch like cysts being popped, but I want to watch blackheads being popped. While that's on, I'm gonna do a couple things. My pore strip is stiffening, and then I'm gonna put on a whitening strip. I'm gonna do these for the few days leading up for my trip, and then I'm also gonna do a hair mask. This is like a tester, a Mika one. It's Tuesday now. I leave for my trip tomorrow, so we're gonna do our little final touches today. First up, I'm going to get my eyebrows done right now. Here's a little before. Ignore my terribly applied makeup. Thank you. Okay, it's much later now. While I chat with you guys right now, I'm putting on a face mask. This is the Soothing Mask from Primally Pure. I've been getting my eyebrows done since I was 12 years old, and they've never looked this good. I love the shape. They're so clean. She just did such a good job. I'm gonna link her website down below if you're somewhat near her and are interested in going. Her name is Stephanie, and yeah, she was just awesome. And she even filled in my eyebrows for me and showed me how to do it. Just like super natural, nothing crazy, just like a little bit of eyebrow powder. And I just love how they look. So yeah, I really enjoyed that whole experience. And they use a different type of wax, but it like wasn't as painful as wax normally is. And I mean, after my experience waxing myself, especially over here, it was, you know, it was a pleasant surprise. I'm obsessed with my eyebrows. I'm so excited. All right, I'm gonna read my book for 15 minutes, hop in the shower, and I'll be back. Okay, I just showered. I really liked that mask. My skin feels super soft and not like dried out, but it's time to self-tan. I'm gonna start backwards. I'm gonna do my face first. I usually do my face last. We're gonna start with the face this time. I use these Isle of Paradise drops for my face. I just put a couple drops in my moisturizer. They say you can do 1 to 12, so I think I just did like 5. I'm gonna do one more. Some moisturizer, and I always dread self-tanning. Like, just the thought of having to self-tan is dreadful to me, but it's really not that bad, to be honest. Does anybody else feel like that? Like, self-tanning, it's not like it takes like a terribly long time. It's like less than 5 minutes. I wish I could be in a routine with it, but like, the annoying part is it ruining your sheets. But I did get like a little self-tanning sleeping bag. I'll link it down below. I think Brody got it for me for Valentine's Day last year. This is the self-tanner I've been using. I actually really like this self-tanner. I used the Saint Tropez one for years. That's what I used like all throughout college. And then I got this one this past year, and I actually really like the color. And then I just used the mitt. Also, I went to the dermatologist a few weeks ago, and I actually got a spot removed that the dermatologist was worried about. And thankfully it wasn't like cancerous or anything, but it's a good reminder for myself that I really shouldn't be in the sun, even though I love it. Like, if I'm in the sun, I just need to wear sunscreen and I should just self-tan, honestly. But I'm already looking forward to the summer and laying out in the sun. And I really just need to get out of that mindset because of the skin cancer of it all, of course, but also like the aging aspect. Sun is like the worst thing you can do for your skin. Whatever, I'm rambling, but I'm gonna put this on. I'm having a hard time, clearly. Have you been enjoying me talking with this mitt as well? I'm such a hand talker. I'm gonna put this self-tanner on. Okay, bye. Good morning. I just showered, rinsed my self-tan off. It looks amazing. I really love this self-tanner. It's a pretty foolproof application. I'm gonna pop on these nails real quick. I got these off of Amazon. I've never had this nail shape before, so I'm kind of nervous. But we have to leave here at 8. Our flight boards at 9:30. Are you one of those people that leave for the airport really early? Because I'm one of those people. Like if I was by myself, I honestly would probably be leaving at 7:30. I just like would prefer to be there waiting at my gate, ready, versus like rushing and getting there late. These are really pretty though, I'm excited. I've always wanted to have a nail shape like this, but I've just been nervous. I would just like to say that this has been so fun and I'm feeling so much better, honestly, just like doing these little things. And I was just like, as I was cutting my nails, I was thinking, I didn't spend like a ton of money. I definitely spent some money, but nothing crazy. My pedicure was $70, including the tip. My eyebrows, I think costed $40. And then I had everything else other than these nails. These nails I think were like maybe $10 or $15. Oh, and I had my gift card for my pedicure, so I actually only paid like 20 bucks for my pedicure. 20 bucks plus 40, plus like we'll give 15, $75. If I'm doing my math correctly, for this little maintenance week transformation. I love that. I had everything else that I just like was able to use that you saw in this video I just had at my apartment. I cannot open this nail glue. I feel like I talk about it a lot on my channel, but it's just because it's the reality, and I think it's a reality for a lot of people my age and just like honestly in the world right now. But I'm saving money, I'm on a budget, and I'm proud of not spending a ton of money doing all this week. I definitely spent some money, but you know, I decided to do that. I actively decided to do that because I'm going on my trip and I thought it would be fun. You know, I've seen people do literally like the craziest maintenance weeks or glow up videos that's like $1,000 glow up transformation, and I'm like, oh my God. That's awesome. Like, I'm not being a hater. Like, that's awesome. Listen, if I could do it, I would, but like, you know. Wow, I'm like scared. Brody's not gonna like these nails. I already know it. I don't think he likes the like pointy. But you know what? I don't care today. We're trying them out for vacay. It's gonna be fun. One hand is done. Guys, I've never had nails like this before. Oh my God, wait, that one is so jacked up. Ugh. Brody, come look at my nails.
Do you not like them?
Do you like them?
Yeah, I like them. Do you not? Are you cutting them?
No, this is how they're supposed to be. I like them. I've never had nails like this before. But like all the cool girls, Brody, all the cool girls get nails like this. They do.
All the cool girls?
Yeah, like this shape.
Yeah. No, they're not that aggressive.
I just want to be a cool girl. Do you think I'm cool? Okay, hearing Brody say these aren't that aggressive is good, because that's the only reason that I would second guess these nails and the shape, because I think they're so pretty, but I just don't usually do like I only do like squared nails or squoval. I do squoval. People really love to hate on squoval, but I'm a squoval girl. No, I like my nails squared, but yeah, seriously, all the cool girls have nails like this. So with all these plane crashes lately, I'm actually like nervous to fly. I kind of get anxious to fly anyways. I take a little relaxer, if you know what I mean. Are you scared to fly with all these plane crashes? Like there was that flight in Toronto that just flipped. Lowers the probability that it'll be us. You'd like that, wouldn't you? Brody likes to say that to me. He always says, you'd like that, wouldn't you? Oh. I know what I this stallion. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get a tea from Dunkin'. Are you so excited?
Yes.
Tropics. We're going to visit my grandma and grandpa in Florida. I don't know if I said that, but I'm so excited. This video, I was getting rid of the winter uglies. Do you think I got rid of them? Do you?
Yeah, they have winter uglies to get rid of them.
What?
I said you have to have winter uglies to get rid of them.
Ah, I like that. Hopefully in my next video, these nails will still be on and I'll be able to give you guys a great recommendation. I used to put press-ons on all the time in college. Okay, I have to run because we're going to the airport, but I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. This was so much fun. Seriously, that felt so good. Like, I really feel much better. It's the power of some self-care, taking care of yourself. Who would have thought? Makes you feel much better. If you're watching this one I just uploaded, happy Monday. I hope that you guys have a great day and a great rest of your week. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.